Hey Dream Team! So today I'm going to show you how to create your own customer avatar clone so you can always have a customer to speak with, to test your ideas, to tailor your marketing, and really just to have the customer in your pocket without you needing to go out and reach out and spend your time on that. So let's dive right in. So we start with the first GPT I created, Customer Avatar Architect, to create our perfect customer avatar. And the first thing we need to do here is either upload the data we have on our customers or type something in. I would recommend you put all your customer data you have into one file, and then you basically just upload that file. Once the file is uploaded, you press enter, and the Chat GPT will create the customer avatar for you. So basically here, you will have all the areas of the customer avatar nailed down for you. If something is unclear for ChatGPT, he will ask you for additional data. If you don't have additional data, just type proceed and he will fill in the blanks based on his research and the knowledge reports that it contains. So once we have this, we basically copy paste the whole customer persona, we put it into the file, we save it into the Word file with the name customer avatar. Now, once this is done, we basically go to the second GPT, which is called Audience Mind. This GPT will create a 4-factor analysis where it will give you 60, so 15 of each, deepest fears, frustration, short-term wants, and long-term aspiration of your customers. And let's just start the analysis. So what is my business about? I am producing Notion templates. Who is your target customer? So here basically we can upload the customer avatar, which we created in the previous steps. Again, name is customer avatar. This will be very important how we build the last clone, so please name them accordingly. Once this is done, it will ask you whether you already know some fears, frustration, wants, or aspirations. In my case, I don't. So the GPT will generate the response. So sometimes it will respond in the table format. I think a better way for the ChatGPT to read is in the bullet point format or number format as it is now. So if it does produce it in the table format, just ask him to produce in the line format. So that's amazing. Now we have 15 fears, frustrations, short-term wants, and long-term aspirations. Again, we copy this into another Word file and we call it 4-factor analysis. Amazing. Now we are moving to the last and final piece, which is also the most important one, which is creating your own custom GPTs. So in order to do that, we click Explore GPTs and we click Create. So now we are in the dashboard where we can start creating our Chat GPTs. And first we have either create or configure. Create is more a text-based form, so we chat with ChatGPT and he will create the prompt and everything for us. This is okay if you're starting, but the prompts might not be the best. So the better way is to actually go to the configure page and start putting in. So name of your GPT, I would put here the name of your customer persona. So for me is Alex, the ambitious automator. Description, this is a customer persona clone. These two are not very important for the outputs. However, if you want to generate the picture, which you should with DALL-E, or you upload your own picture, but if you want to generate the picture with the DALL-E, he will use the first two in order to come with the picture. So let's put a picture. Take some time with DALL-E usually. I don't know why he's not generating the photo. Maybe the internet connection is bad. Okay, he doesn't want to generate photo at the moment, but this is what you do to generate the photo. And then when you want to put in the instructions, basically you just copy paste the prompt I gave you, which is a perfect prompt for doing your customer avatar clones. The only thing you need to change is change the name here by just copy pasting this. So it has the right name, and do this sign before the big headings in order to make some markdown formatting to make it easier for ChatGPT to read. So whatever is in caps lock, just make sure to put this letter in front of it. Okay. Now the next thing is conversation starters. Here we basically can have how will we communicate. It's basically the first prompt. So let's say start the engagement. You can also leave it blank, but just something to have there to guide you. Then we have the upload files. Now, as I said before, here it's very important that both of those files are named exactly like this, because this is how they're also referred to in the instructions in the system prompt. So customer avatar and 4-factor analysis, we upload both. Voila, so this is our knowledge base. And then the last thing here, I like to have all of them tick, but I think web browsing could also be enough. Now let's go back up and let's try to generate a photo again. If DALL-E will work, if not, we will just create a Chat GPT and upload the photo later. I don't know why he doesn't want to upload the photo. Very well, let's create the GPT. Here you can pick, only you will see it, anyone with the link that you shared, or you can upload it to the GPT store. I usually keep it on anyone with the link if I want to share it with somebody, but that's basically it. Save. So GPT is now published. You can access it on this link. You will also see it in your GPTs, and you can actually add it to the sidebar. Now let's view the GPT. Amazing. We can start the engagement and just test it out. What can I assist you today? Amazing. I want to test product ideas for my future product offering. Can you just respond yes or no if you like the idea? Productivity dashboard. So he's a productivity guy. He should respond yes. Let's try travel calendar. Amazing. Let's try cat dashboard. I don't even know what that is, but let's just try it. No. Okay. Let's try something else, but he would say no, because he's an entrepreneur and so on. Corporate manuals. Exactly. So basically here you can start testing product ideas. Or let's say that we have a marketing message. Double your sales and skyrocket your revenues. How should I adjust this marketing message to make it better for you? More tailored. Automate your workflow and double your sales, boost your revenues with no-code solutions. Exactly, because my customer avatar is very focused on workflows, he's very focused on no-code solutions, so he will adjust the marketing messages or tailor them based on what you input in them. And this is how you can use them, and you can use them in many times. Imagine anytime you want to ask customers something and you don't have a direct access, then you can use this customer persona. Now going forward, ideally, when you would be talking with customers, organizing the interviews, you would basically be updating the knowledge files and then just re-uploading them, so the ChatGPT would have more and more information and would become more and more tailored to your customer persona. Now, if you like this, I am offering all of these ChatGPTs and the clone creator video and how to use it in my Avatar Architect dashboard that will be launching this Sunday on Product Hunt. So if you want to know more, check the link in the description, get signed up to the waiting list, and obviously like and subscribe this video and stay tuned. I love you guys.